GBPUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about pound against dollar. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video, you'll find some links. So it says join Telegram channel. So go and join this free Telegram channel if you want some free signals from me every now and then check out the brokers on the platform right here. Go and join these brokers because I want you to have a separate account. So start a new demo account with these brokers and then trade with my signals in that account only. Okay, so coming back to the chart after all this. So subscribe, like, do all of that. Coming back to the chart now. Starting the top-down approach with weekly time frame. So weekly, we have a red candle, so we'll go down. Okay, so hopefully we'll go down because I think we have broken the previous highs. We have reached to what maximum was 30. How much was 37.88? Okay. So in last Sunday's GBPUSD video, I told you that we will cross or maybe touch 3800. Okay. So we still have the potential to go up. But that will happen this week. I don't know. Maybe not. Okay. Maybe not this week. So we'll have to keep an eye. But trend is up. That's all we can see from weekly. Hopefully we'll go down. So daily. Now daily we're taking a pullback. Okay. So this was the rejection from the EMA in daily on 23rd of June. Okay. So if you were smart, and if you entered here, then you exit out here. So much profit. Anyways, now is the time for pullback. So use your fib levels from here till here. And then it should take the 68% maybe, time will tell, but we will take a pullback. So right now, all I'm saying is look for maybe shorts in GBPUSD because we are taking a pullback now. Okay, so we have to maybe touch down the EMA and then reject and then go up again. But maybe that will not happen. Maybe we'll go up. Maybe in next 3-4 days. Okay, but for now we're looking for shorts. So if I come back to 4 hour, where's my entry? Okay, my entry is quite yeah, rejection has come from the EMA. Okay, so all we have to do is wait for the red candle. So this high, okay, so we also have made new highs, right? So we could be in two-way scenarios here because this previous high is broken by this red candle, with this blue candle, and then this low is not broken yet. So quite simple. Let's keep it simple. Let's give you two options, buy and sell, because there's no third option anyway. So this is the consolidation period right now on Friday. Okay, so what do we have? If this high is broken, then look for longs. If this low is broken, look for shorts. Simple. I think we should look for shorts because rejection has come from the EMA. Okay, so this last candle of Friday rejected the EMA and it's like a doji thing, or if you will look carefully in 4 hour, more sellers, less buyers. So last candle 4 hour on Friday, we had more sellers pushing the price down. So we're expecting the GBP to go down this week. Okay, so as soon this red candle is eaten by the next red candle, that's your short entry, and then take your profit as per your own brain. Okay, I'm not going to tell you everything for free. So look for shorts. I think so. Okay, let this low break, then go short, and if this high is broken, then go long, and then take your profits as per your own intelligence. So if you like what you see, subscribe, like, share, join Telegram, join brokers. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.